What if a new camera could redefine everything we know about photography? A camera so powerful, so advanced, that it pushes the boundaries of resolution, image quality, and creative potential beyond anything seen before. The rumored Fujifilm GFX 150S might just be that camera. With speculation surrounding a groundbreaking 150-megapixel medium-format sensor, next-generation autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities, the photography industry is buzzing with excitement. The Fujifilm GFX series has already proven its dominance in the world of medium-format cameras, and now, it seems Fujifilm is ready to take things to an entirely new level. But how do we get here? What makes the GFX lineup stand out? And most importantly, what features could the GFX 150S bring to revolutionize the industry once again? In this deep dive, we will explore the history, present innovations, and future impact of Fujifilm's rumored GFX 150S. Fujifilm's journey into the world of digital medium-format cameras is a story of innovation, risk-taking, and a commitment to delivering high-quality imaging solutions to photographers worldwide. The GFX series was born out of a desire to make medium-format photography more accessible, without the bulk and price tag traditionally associated with large-format cameras. The journey began in 2017 with the launch of the Fujifilm GFX 50S. This camera introduced a 50-megapixel medium-format sensor in a relatively compact and lightweight body, making high-resolution photography more achievable for professionals outside of high-end studio environments. The GFX 50S set a new standard for detail, color reproduction, and dynamic range, proving that mirrorless technology could compete with traditional medium-format systems. In 2019, Fujifilm took things a step further with the introduction of the GFX 100. This model featured a 102-megapixel sensor, in-body image stabilization, and phase detection autofocus, three groundbreaking features that were almost unheard of in medium-format cameras at the time. The GFX 100 was not only a technical achievement, but also a statement that Fujifilm was serious about dominating the medium-format market. The success of the GFX 100 led to further refinements, and in 2021, Fujifilm introduced the GFX 100S and GFX 50S2. These models offered improved ergonomics, faster processing, and a more refined user experience while keeping the core strengths of the GFX system intact. Now, in 2025, the industry is eagerly anticipating the next evolution in Fujifilm's GFX lineup. The rumored GFX 150S is expected to take everything to the next level, introducing a new era of ultra-high-resolution photography. The rumors surrounding the Fujifilm GFX 150S suggest that this could be the most powerful medium-format camera ever released. Here's a detailed breakdown of the features we can expect based on leaks, industry speculation, and Fujifilm's track record of innovation. The biggest highlight of the GFX 150S is its rumored 150-megapixel sensor. This would be a massive leap in resolution, offering an unprecedented level of detail. Photographers working in landscapes, fashion, and commercial photography will be able to capture textures, fine details, and expansive dynamic range like never before. The ability to crop into images without losing clarity will redefine post-processing flexibility, making this camera ideal for high-end professionals who demand perfection in every pixel. Handling 150-megapixel files requires a powerful processor, and the GFX 150S is expected to introduce a next-generation X processor. This will enable faster file handling, smoother live view previews, and improved high ISO performance. With increased processing power, users can expect reduced lag when capturing large raw files, making the shooting experience seamless even in high-resolution modes. One of the biggest challenges of medium-format cameras has been autofocus speed and accuracy. The GFX 150S is rumored to include an AI-driven autofocus system that improves eye tracking, subject recognition, and real-time focusing in challenging lighting conditions. This could make the camera more versatile for portrait, wildlife, and event photography, where precise autofocus is critical. The GFX 150S may also be Fujifilm's most powerful video camera yet. With 8K video capabilities, this camera could attract filmmakers looking for extreme resolution and cinematic depth of field. The ability to shoot in high-resolution video formats would open new creative possibilities for professional videographers, particularly in commercial and documentary filmmaking. A high-resolution sensor and advanced processing power demand a battery that can keep up. The GFX 150S is expected to introduce a new high-capacity battery system that extends shooting time, making it more reliable for long hours of professional work. Photographers shooting weddings, events, and outdoor sessions will benefit from improved power efficiency, reducing the need for constant battery swaps. Workflow efficiency is a crucial aspect of modern photography. The rumored GFX 150S could introduce real-time, wireless tethering and cloud storage options, allowing photographers to back up files instantly and send images directly to clients. This feature would be a game-changer for studio photographers and commercial professionals who require immediate file access and remote collaboration. The Fujifilm GFX 150S represents more than just an upgrade in resolution. It signals the future of medium-format photography. This camera could push the industry toward higher-resolution imaging standards, making ultra-detailed photography more accessible than ever before. With advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, and processing power, medium-format cameras may soon rival full-frame systems in speed and usability while maintaining their signature image quality advantages. Filmmakers might also start adopting medium-format video more widely, bringing the depth and richness of large sensors to the world of high-end cinematography. Beyond technology, the GFX 150S could shape the business side of photography. As high-resolution cameras become more common, industries like fashion, commercial advertising, and fine art photography will benefit from the enhanced creative possibilities they offer. Medium format might no longer be a niche category, but a mainstream tool for professionals who demand the highest quality in their work. The Fujifilm GFX 150S could be a game-changer for photographers and filmmakers alike. With cutting-edge features and an emphasis